Kapatisi TV. Ka undi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Umid rang ba ka jelau kontrak ke sangma. Ula ong bakam dei ke Kamram jong ka Sorkar ban Tuklar. Ye ke Jingkhynra ke Enforcement Directorate. Hayi jong ki arngut ki embassy Barim jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. Bat kum juru. Hayi jong ki arngut ki kontraktor. Halo ke Jingkhynra bakadan ke Jingkhynra kambakla. Ye ke pisah jong ke GHADC. Habe ke larp thai ku bor. Ki keli ke Sorkar kadar ayuban ong halo kani. Ukon rat ula ong. Bakam dei ke kam jong ka Sorkar ban Tuklar. Namar bagi ID, kedai ken hun token, kebalai luit batkan long kebakala shibun ke Sorkar, bakan Tuklar ya kani. Ulong bakam dei ke Sorkar ke toket, hendai kedai jing toket ke ID, bat ai ke ID kan le yela ke Kamram. Kumban chupin kan mau hang ni, bahar ke South Rik Unok Pra, ke Enforcement Directorate jong ke Shillong Sub-Zonal Office, kalalit Khenra hayeng jong ki arngut ki MDC Barim, kata Boston CH Marak, baru Ismail Marak, bat kum juru hayeng jong ki arngut ki kontraktor, kata hayeng jong kubon sangma, bat unik seng sangma, bat yaga di Jingkhynra, lalekat kumi kendon jong ke Prevention of Money Laundering Act RHR. Kadi Jingkhynra kadi hadian ba lalap bagadang Jingkhynra kambakla ke pisah ke bahadu arupra poin 22 klor tingkah. Lalap ru bala pelat ya ke pisah syaki arngut ki kontraktor, kata kubon sangba, bat unik seng sangma, klan bayai ke kum ki kendon. Lakin no ba ukubon sangma ula say baro kepisah bad ula IT kepisah sya u Ismail Marak kat bau nikseng sangmapan upha kepisah sya ke bank account jong u Boston CH Marak. Kini ki arngun ki kontraktor klap pla haki officer jong ki ID bagi penpoy kepisah sya kini ki arngun ki MDC bad kum juru sya ki bahing SM jong ki. Ka ID kelayok kurup bon kat kislana kini ki Ïing bad kila kurup ru ki bank account jong ki kat kum ke section kat nyo 1A jong ke PMLA.
Well, there's nothing for government to react. It's an agency that does its job independently. It will be wrong for government to react or to interfere in any way.
But do you agree that there are some misuse of funds?
As I said, that's for the ED to find out. That's not something that we're not investigating in it. So it'd be wrong on my part, as I said, to even interfere or to find out and what's happening. So it's an independent agency. It will do its job.